How good is your Spanish? In this video, you'll test yourself with 100 everyday objects. If you get half right, you're actually good. Let's begin. How do you say key?
Llave.
How do you say phone?
Teléfono.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say bathroom?
Baño.
How do you say kitchen?
Cocina.
Now, choose the correct image. Look carefully.
Hamburguesa.
Delicious.
Pizza.
A or B?
Taco.
A or B?
Perro caliente.
Spicy vibes? A or B?
Sushi.
Italian style. Where is the pasta?
Pasta.
Simple and strong. Where is the carne?
Carne.
Breakfast time. Where is the huevo?
Huevo.
Healthy choice. Where is the ensalada?
Ensalada.
So tasty. Where is the queso?
Queso.
Where is the pescado?
Pescado.
A classic side.
Arroz.
Everyone loves it.
Pollo.
Get ready for numbers from 10 to 0 in Spanish. Repeat with me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go!
Fresh from the oven.
Pan.
Sweet moment. Where is the caramello?
Caramelo.
Simple food. Where is the papa?
Papa.
Crunchy and orange.
Zanahoria. Dona.
Strong smell.
Cebolla.
A or B?
ajo,
How do you say balloon?
globo,
Think fast. Who am I?
perro,
How do you say skateboard?
patineta,
How do you say umbrella?
paraguas,
How do you say shark?
tiburón,
How do you say camera?
cámara,
How do you say rocket?
cohete,
How do you say watermelon?
sandía,
How do you say trophy?
trofeo,
How do you say rainbow?
arco iris,
How do you say lighthouse?
faro,
How do you say donut?
dona,
How do you say anchor?
ancla,
Think fast. Complete the Spanish word.
gato,
How do you say tent?
tienda,
How do you say rabbit?
conejo,
How do you say tomato?
tomate,
How do you say guitar?
guitarra,
How do you say lemon?
limón,
How do you say microphone?
micrófono,
How do you say telescope?
telescopio,
How do you say shower?
ducha,
How do you say mirror?
espejo,
How do you say light?
luz,
How do you say fan?
ventilador,
How do you say television?
televisión,
How do you say computer?
computadora,
How do you say internet?
Internet.
How do you say password?
Contraseña.
How do you say screen?
Pantalla.
How do you say battery?
Batería.
How do you say charger?
Cargador.
How do you say message?
Mensaje.
How do you say call?
Llamada.
How do you say video?
Video.
How do you say photo?
Foto.
Thanks for watching the video. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more quizzes. See you in the next one.